What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel that helps you to become a better trader. Now if you listen some noise, it's because outside there is a really heavy rain and it's really annoying, but anyway, I still have to make content for you guys, so bear with me. Now we are gonna talk about Matic. Should you buy Matic today? But before we actually do that, let's go back and I'm gonna show you how it's doing, how the trades are doing. Because if you want to actually copy my own trades, if you want to copy the Money Ninjas trades, go and check out the Money Ninjas Telegram group. There's gonna be a link on the comment section below. Go and check it out. You see, we have 5 trades open at the moment, and yesterday we closed Solana with 50% profits. That's why you don't see it here anymore. Now we have 29% on Cake, 28% profit on ADA, 19% on Polkadot, less 1% on bet, that is nothing, and 14% down on Avalanche. Avalanche, we are gonna do dollar cost averaging, so we are gonna get those profits back at some point. Don't worry about that. We are still up a lot on all the trades, and yesterday, as I said, we closed Solana, which was really awesome profits in a really short time. Now let's go with a Matic, because the question, as I say, if you want to copy this trade, go and check out the Money Ninja Telegram group. Now let's go and zoom in, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I always do. I try to help you to become better traders. So the first thing that you gotta identify the levels of support. It is the trend. What is the trend going on? And then you are gonna be able to know if actually it is a good time to buy Matic or any other coin for the matter. Now the first thing we are gonna do is identify what are the all-time high and the all-time low. For of course, the all-time high is here, but we gotta identify the realistic all-time low for the project if it actually can go all the way down here again. So that is gonna be around 29 cents, because I do think that go back to 29 cents for Matic is gonna be really difficult, and I don't think it's gonna happen anytime soon. That is the realistic one. But we already had a crash the other day and we went to almost 75 cents. That's why I'm putting it at around 28 cents, because it's gonna be the realistic, the most the possible one that can happen if actually there is a massive crash, like Bitcoin going to 10,000, something like this, which I don't believe is gonna happen because we are recovering, but you always gotta be ready. Now next we are gonna identify what is the trend at the moment, where we're going. So we are in a bullish trend, that is for sure, because we are trading inside this pattern for the last few days, and actually it does look great, to be honest. If you actually trend here, we are in a bullish pattern, that's for sure, and we are in a descended advantage, because we see we are trading down a little bit here, and when the RSI is a little bit bearish and the trend is bullish, we are gonna have it indicates most of the time that we are going to have a bullish movement to the upside. It can happen, it cannot happen, so we got to be ready. That's why I'm going to teach you the exact strategy that I'm going to use for this trade. First thing, the next thing that you got to do now is identify the levels of support and resistance. As I always teach you, what is the support, when is going to be the resistance. For support and resistance, the first support, of course, is going to be here around $1. Why? Because as I already told you guys before, this was the last strongest level of support in the chart. It was around May 23rd of May. We went all the way down here and then we bounced up. You see, all the buyers really ate this candlestick really fast, so they got in and they took the lead, and that's why you don't see the end of this candlestick. But that's gonna be the level of support, and I do think that that's gonna be the best entry. Anyway, you see the chart is having a little bit of trouble to actually break above here, to actually break down here. So maybe that could be a no, that is not a good entry. As I always say, always be patient. And that's why I will say it's not the best time to buy Matic. Well, if you are a holder, I always see you guys, if you are holding, you can buy Matic anytime you want, because it doesn't matter. You have a profit target 5 years, and then you're gonna wait for that. But if you want to trade, I would say do not buy now, because it's still really high and it's quite near to the all-time high. There is only a 79% to the all-time high. As I said, you cannot target all-time high because it's gonna be really difficult for the price to actually go back to the all-time high again. That's why I will target a little bit lower than the all-time high, always around here. For example, the second highest move, that's gonna be my profit target most of the time. So what I will do for Matic, and I always give you realistic and safe trades. That's why most of the time I'm in profit, because even with the dip, all my trades, most of them were in profits. Why? Because we try to take trades in the cheapest as possible, because believe me, when you are a trader, you always want to buy the cheapest that you can, and then you're gonna make more money. It makes sense, of course, but some of the traders, they know this rule that you got to buy the cheapest that you can. Most of the time, they just want then they are not patient and they just go in, buy at whatever price, and then they wait for the price to go up. If you buy here, you are losing money now. If you bought here, you are losing money now. So that's why you gotta buy in this level support. When they actually test support, that is the best time to actually buy, because it's gonna put yourself in a really strong situation. And the other day we made 100% from $1 to $2 really fast, because we patient and we wait for that level of support to actually be broken again. And that's what I will do. For example, if the price goes down again to $1, that's gonna be my entry. $1, no less than that. Why? Because at the moment there are a lot of trades that you actually can take, and you don't need to trade Matic all the time. There are way more coins. For example, we only trade the top 100 coins on MAKW, and there are a lot of trades that you actually can take at the moment, better than Matic, to be honest, because as I say, we are in the middle reality. We are not even oversold, and we haven't touched the support level. So that's why you gotta wait for the best entry. And I would say $1 is gonna be the best entry ever. Of course, we can even go down to here to 68 cents, and if that actually happens, if you buy a $1 and the price goes down to 68 cents, what you can do is just buy a little bit more. So do some dollar cost averaging, and then you're gonna put yourself in a better situation on the chart. But it's pretty unrealistic. I don't think that the price is gonna go there. It just happened once time here, and because we have a massive crash in Bitcoin, that's why you see this. But yeah, I see $1 is gonna be the most realistic target when it comes to buy Matic at the moment. And as I say, if you want to see many other trades every single day, I have setups for the Money Ninjas BIP. If you want to check it out, go and check out the Money Ninjas Telegram group, because there you don't have to do anything of this every single day. I do it all for you, and then I post it on the channel, and you guys can see there every single day. Full technical analysis, full entry, exit target, entry target, everything set up for you guys. So you just have to look at it, do your own research, of course, because as I say, all trading is risky and you can lose your money. But it's gonna be easier for you to actually learn trade. We have live streams, we have VIP live streams. You can ask me anything you guys want. You can copy all my private trades, so that is gonna be really helpful for you. If you like that, as I said, there's gonna be a link on the description, and there's gonna be a link on the comment section. Also, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section what do you think about this trade, because I do think that Matic at the moment it's not the best time to buy. We are touching support here, and as I say, if you actually touch support around 135 and the price can actually go back up again, that's gonna be a good entry. Let's put it this way: if you want to take the risk, if you can buy around here, for example, if the price goes touch support and you see that it doesn't break this support level and actually bounce up again, that's gonna be a good entry, but it's gonna be way more risky than if you actually wait for $1. Let's say if you see that the price breaks this support level right here, this support, maybe we can go down again and we can touch the other support level down here. But you gotta be patient, wait for this one. If you want to take the more risky, as I say, it's more risky, so keep that in mind. Or just you wait for this one and then you get out in a safer situation. Now, I'm gonna see you guys later. I hope you like this setup. As I say, be patient. That is the first thing I gotta tell you. I always teach you guys that. Be patient, don't rush. Try to find other setups. If you don't have any idea about setup or what trade you can buy, go and check out the Money Ninja Telegram group. Or also, never buy when it's expensive. Never buy when the other side is looking in the middle. Never buy when the price is high. Never buy when everyone is buying. You gotta buy when it's cheap. When everyone is selling, that is the time that you gotta buy to actually put yourself in a strong situation and make the most amount of profits. I'm gonna see you guys later. Stay safe, and yeah,